Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, what is the minimum salary for Abu Dhabi's bank? Now, information regarding universal minimum salary for all positions at First Abu Dhabi's bank is not publicly available. But salaries at FAB, as with any large organization, vary significantly based on several factors, including the position or the job role, experience level, qualifications and skills, and location, nationality. However, some information regarding minimum salary requirements for specific FAB products and services in the UAE is available. For example, FAB offers various personal loan options with differing minimum monthly salary requirements such as $7,000 and $15,000. Some accounts, like the FAB One account, have a minimum monthly salary requirement of $10,000 for salaried customers, while others might require a minimum balance instead. Based on publicly available salary data for various roles at FAB in the UAE, reported salaries show a wide range, from around $3,000 for some entry-level or administrative roles to significantly higher amounts for specialized or managerial positions. For instance, reported average monthly salaries for customer service officers are around $10,585 and for specialists around $14,964. To get the most accurate information on minimum salary for a specific role at First Abu Dhabi's bank, it is best to refer to salary mentioned in a job advertisement or inquire directly with FAB's recruitment team during the application process. Hope you found this video